if you haven't started up your barbecue for a long time, check this out. Be careful because you can put your house into fire. Check this out. Yeah, the leftovers. The leftovers from the grill, which you forgot to take care of. Yeah, this is where the problem starts. Can put you in a very dangerous and compromising situation. Now, this down there is grease accumulating for the past 15 years. Now, all of a sudden, your barbecue catches fire and you have no idea what's going on. This is what you look out first. Bake time. Bake time. Thank you always for tuning in the channel, and be careful because barbecues can take a house down. Like, share, comment, and au revoir.